5 Anti-aging foods that can make your skin glow. This popular phrase "that beauty comes from the inside" simply explains why what we eat as food really matters a lot on our body, not only based on how we feel physically, but also it affects how we look, and also how our skin glow. Though there are lots of pricey creams and lotions claiming to give your skin the younger look, most times what you need for a younger look lies in your kitchen, and not very expensive. Most foods with contents such as antioxidants, vitamin C, D, E, K, B complex, choline and folic acid, have a strong potential of changing your body's cellular level, which in return glows your skin. This healthy food also have the potential of reducing the risk of skin cancers, and also protect you from cardiovascular disease. Skin is known to be the largest organ in the body, so it's quite sensible to see it respond to food with nourishing ingredients. If you are interested in building your skin glow, so as to hide the fact that you are older, then improving your diet is what you need. Below are the list of anti-aging foods that you need to glow your skin. 1. Avocados. Fat is a natural lubricant needed by the body to facilitate all body processes. But the problem with this is that, there are fats that are harmful to the body, while we have those that are nourishing to the body. The avocado contains a lot of the healthy fat, that helps and keeps your skin flexible and nourished. A research carried out in United States, shows that women who consume fat sourced from avocados, have a healthier skin with great elasticity. Another important property of avocados are the compounds it contains, which helps to protect the human skin from sun rays. You get a reasonable dose of the vitamin E and vitamin C, when you make use of the green stuff on toast or add it to your salad. 2. Dark chocolate. You don't have to feel deprived of anything, if you choose to improve your skin glow through dieting. You can still have a good chunk of chocolates and still look good. Several research carried out in the laboratory, have shown that cocoa powder contains a high amount of antioxidants, that moisturizes the skin and makes it glow. Another important benefit of consuming cocoa is that, it helps to improve the human blood flow, which in return, helps to deliver more of those important skin nutrients. While consuming chocolate is good, it is advisable to only stick to dark chocolate, that contains minimum of 70% cocoa for more healthy benefit with less sugar contents. 3. Red wine. Another important anti-aging food that can help glow your skin is the red wine. The red wine contains a compound called resveratrol, which helps to reduce the aging effects in the body. If you are quite observant, you will notice that most beauty products claiming to give a younger skin, contains resveratrol. This compound works in 2 ways, when applied on the skin directly, and also when taken as food. Resveratrol in wine helps to slow down the production and activeness of free radicals. Free radicals present in the body, is the major cause of skin damage and other premature aging problems. 4. Tomatoes. Most of our daily meals are prepared with tomatoes, even though most people are not having enough of it. Tomatoes are very delicious and popular, which makes it hard to get bored of having them. Tomatoes can work as the major constituent of a dish, or help support the taste of other ingredients. When you take in or consume tomatoes, you get a reasonable amount of vitamin C, which helps to clean up and rebuild your scaly skin. Some other components of tomatoes include the carotenoids such as the beta-carotene, lycopene, and the lutein. This list of powerful and not well-known antioxidants helps to protect the skin from sun damage. 5. Walnut. Most people do not know how important walnut can be to their body and skin. Walnuts is very effective when it comes to skin optimization because it contains essential fatty acids compounds. This fatty acids serve as a building block for healthy cell membranes, and also, because of the fact that we do not create them naturally and internally, we need to work towards getting the omega-3s and the omega-6s from our food consumption. We highly recommend the use of walnut for APHAs, because of the presence of skin-loving antioxidants, such as the vitamin E and C, and also the selenium that are present in them. Zinc is also a better influence when it comes to skin healing and nourishment. The major influence to a healthy living is nutrients sourced from plant-based food with little amount of meat, like fish, added to it. Most fruits, especially the ones present on this list, contains a reasonable amount of antioxidants which helps to improve your skin. So when seeking for your next meal, ensure you have these fruits present in the right proportion.